If you like our video, we hope you'll subscribe. And in the comments below, we would appreciate it if you would put what you're doing to stay safe and healthy during this pandemic. Those of you that have been following our Out West Country Living channel know that late summer of 2019, we moved on to our 40 acres in Idaho. At this point, with the coronavirus pandemic, in late March, we still have no running water, and so we still use an outhouse. We have no septic system. We're about 1 hour away from an organic grocery source, and we're about 2 hours away from a Costco. We're grateful for the small local businesses that are close to us in our communities, and we support them when we can. We're both 70 years old, and we feel it's important at this point to stay on our place and not leave. As we were discussing our resources, we decided that maybe we should come up with an idea, since we don't have a garden and probably won't have one soon. We don't have an orchard established yet. It's important for us to have fresh vegetables because we have 2 freezers that are full of meat. So we decided that maybe it's time for us to try one of those meal kit delivery services. In the description below, I've listed a few. The first 2 are organic and the others are not, that you might try. You might think, well, they're more expensive than I can afford. We also do not have deep pockets, and so we're going to limit ourselves to one of the smaller options, which is just 3 meals a week, and we can substitute with our own food in between that we have stashed away. But considering that we're not going anywhere right now, so we're not spending a lot on fuel, Rob can't work, and I was supposed to have a census job, and of course that isn't happening. So I guess you just have to consider your options, and hopefully this is an option that might be open to you. We hope and pray that you all stay healthy and come through this virus better and more secure and happier and healthier than you've ever been before. Many blessings to you all.